Welcome to your daily Karen report.
Yeah.
I'm calling the police.
Yeah.
Somebody help me!
Help her!
Somebody help me!
Help her! Yeah, because
Somebody
I
help
already
me!
told you, don't knock on my
Somebody
window.
help me!
You're a fucking Karen. Get the fuck away from my car. Get the fuck away from my car. Get the fuck away from me, man, before I slap the shit out of you. I'm not playing.
I'm calling the police.
Call them. Call them.
I am.
Hi.
I got you on camera.
Yeah, you sure do.
I sure do.
Please get this lady.
James!
James! Come on, James!
Yeah,
Come on, James!
He's got a tumor. It's
Come
like the size of a
on,
football.
okay. Bitch, get the
Leave
fuck
me.
away from me. Stop
Leave
fucking
me.
with me.
Click like and subscribe to get your daily Karen report.